Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about compiler and bytecode. So this concept is very important from examination point of view, and their definition can come as 1 or 2 marks question in the real examination. To understand the concept of compiler, let's understand this real-time problem. So let's say there are two men and they want to establish a communication link between them. But the problem is one knows English and another one knows German. To make that communication happen, we need a translator in between who knows both languages, English and German. Similarly, if I talk about Java, so on left hand side you can see there is Java program which is having a .java extension which is also called source code. And on right side if you see that is bytecode. Bytecode is basically machine code which is understood by computer. Computer doesn't understand our Java. As you already know, computer understand data in the form of 1 and 0, which is also known as binary data. So compiler, what it will do, it will take our Java program as an input and it will generate a file which is called bytecode, and the extension of bytecode file is .class. So from examination point of view, you have to write a definition of compiler which basically convert your source code to machine language, and this process is called compilation. Let's understand this concept using BlueJ with practical example. So in BlueJ, as soon as you will create a class, in my case it is class test at line number 2. So as soon as you will create this class, in your folder structure there will be a class called test and which is a Java file. And if we open this file, it will be similar to what we are seeing on BlueJ window. So basically this is a Java program which is written by us. So let's compile the program now. I'll make this window little short so that you guys will be able to see what is happening in the background. So I'm clicking compile button. So you can see on your left hand side. So what happened? Let's see. So as soon as you compiled a Java file, there is a new file got generated which is called class file, and this is called bytecode. And if you will click on this particular file, you will not able to understand that because compiler has converted our Java program into a language which will understand by computer now. So this is a duty of a compiler. So this was about the today's session. If you have any questions or you want a video on a particular topic, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.